Okay, so this is the third part of the video, like voltage control current source. So now let's look at how we can set up the experiment in SaberRD. So what we can do, so here experiment, we can set up an experiment, we can name it test. So in the test, like you can see a different tools. So for instance, if I do the parameter sweep, so I can select the like the R norm value, and then change the value from, let's see, from 3K to 10K. So for number of points, let's see, 5, and then I can use a multi-core, and I can choose, okay, how many cores do we want? For instance, if I want to use 4 cores for each like simulation, so I can set up. So you can see we easily set up the parameter sweep. So we can add the transient analysis. In transient analysis, we can set the end time 100 millisecond and time step 2 microsecond. So we can say, okay, we need all signals and cross and through variables. So also we want to measure some, if we want to measure, for instance, RMS. So then I click RMS, I click here and then level, and then RMS. So for the RMS, we can select the signals. So we can select the load. I need the RMS load. So this is the way that we can define like process. So because I already and also you can find in the Saber tutorial. So if you double click on the existing experiment, so you can see all details. And so for instance here you can put the test RMS load greater than 1.6, so it means that it's passed or failed. So let's go and we want to plot the load and the RMS. So let's run the simulation. So in the simulation part, if I go to the simulate, select the experiment, so then select this experimental vary loop, and then run the simulation. So okay, so the definition is done. If I double click on the graphs, so you can see this is the RMS of the load, and this is the wavefront versus time for 5 loads that we put it in the experiment. So also if I double click on this, so you can see what failed and what passed. It's great tools for safety analysis. Oh, thank you.